And Mohammad Samir of 9th A. Next, Function and Sincere Award goes to Mohammad Arshad of 5th A. And Farag Malik of 9th A. Next, active participation of students in Pathshala Pragati program, Abdul Hasib of 6th A. And Hasib of Kartik of 8th B. And Awesome Attitude Award goes to Srikar of 8th A. And Shivaprasad of 6th B. And next, Caring Classroom Award goes to Shivakrishna of 5th B. And Ashraf Patel of 7th A. Ashraf Patel of 7th A. Congratulations, students. It's a happy and proud moment for all of us.
Thank you so much, Ashwini ma'am. Yes. Small step. Listen everyone. जो सफर की शुरुआत करता है वो मंजिल को पार करता है। बस एक बार चलने का हौसला रखिए। अच्छे इंसान का तो रास्ता भी इंतजार करता है। How is it? Thank you so much everyone. And now I call upon Mr. Saif of 9th standard to give his speech.
I am sir from 9th standard. Respected dignitaries, respected teachers, parents, elders and my dear friends. A very brilliant afternoon and warm greeting of our greatest day to you all. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the birthday of our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Kalvakundla Chandrasekhar Rao Garu. He was born on 17 February 1954 in a village named Chintamanaga in Medak district. He completed his master in Telugu literature from Osmania University. After leading the Telangana movement to its desired end, he became the first CM of the Telangana state. He is also the founder president of Telangana Rashtra Samiti, TRS party, which was in the forefront of the movement for statehood to Telangana after Swarne enhanced the chief minister of the newly formed Telangana. He has continuously worked for the development and the welfare of the state. There are numerous programs initiated by our Chief Minister. To name a few are Arogya Lakshmi, Asara Pension, Double Bedroom Housing Scheme, Kanti Velagu, Shadi Mubarak, KCR Kit and Mission Bhagiratha. Here I would like to share few details about Mission Bhagiratha. It is a project for safe drinking water for every village and city household in Telangana state with a budget of 43,791 crores. This project is a brainchild of our Honorable Chief Minister. It aims to provide piped water to 2.32 crores people in 20 lakh households in urban and 60 lakh in rural areas of Telangana. The aim of the project is to supply clean drinking water to all the households in the state through water sourced from River Godavari and River Krishna. The vision of the Mission Bhagiratha over to the success of Siddipet Comprehensive Drinking Water Scheme, tapped to each household, conceived and implemented in 1998 by the MLA of Siddipet and present Honorable Chief Minister Sri Kalvakundla Chandrasekhar Rao Garu. Vision. The vision of Mission Bhagiratha is to ensure safe and sustainable pipe drinking water supply from surface water sources, Mission Bhagiratha, is a massive project with an outlay of rupees 43,791 crores, targeted to be completed in a record time of 3 years. It covers 2.72 crores and 65.29 lakh households. The project comprises 26 segments in 32 districts and is being declared on flagship program. Telangana Drinking Water Supply Corporation Limited Board was formed under the chairmanship of Honorable Chief Minister Sri Kalvakura Chandrasekhar Rao Garu. Because of his initiative, 1718 additional postdocs were created. This project has received dual association like Food